Everybody, it's Kelly Snodgrass with RS Financial Group, and I was working on some homeowners quotes today and thought I might just pop on and do a quick little video. I know there's a lot of people that are shopping for homes currently, and I thought this might be helpful for you when you're having trouble narrowing down between two houses. If you've gotten to put an offer on more than one house and didn't get beat out by someone else. So I know houses are going quick, so you may not really have time to give thought to this, but if you do, these are just some different things that will increase your premium. So things that you would like to think about: roof age and what type of roof is it. That's going to affect your premium. And when I mean what type of roof, so do you just have this kind of roof, or do you have a roof that kind of goes down and then does like this, or maybe goes on the sides as well? More roof coverage is going to increase your premium. Also, do you have any underground storage tanks? This is actually what kind of prompted me to do this video, as I was working on a quote for a lady, and she had a septic tank, and one of the companies that I do business with actually declined her business because they don't cover people with underground storage. So you may want to check, if you're not in a city limit, check to see, do they have a septic tank? Do they have underground oil storage tanks? Something like that. Another big one is dogs. So one of my favorite breeds of dog is the pit bull, and a lot of insurance companies are pretty picky about their breeds of dogs. So that might be something to think about when you're looking for a dog, or when you're looking for insurance companies to change to. Will they cover the dog that you already have? And also biters. Some people have dogs that are biters, and some insurance companies won't cover the dog, or won't cover you if you have a biter that lives in your home. Let's see, credit. Who would have thought that your credit score would affect your premium? But it actually does, pretty big. So you want to work on your credit score, and that's going to help not only your credit cards, your any loans that you make, but it's also going to help your insurance premium go down as well. They also look at your insurance score, which has to do with paying as well, and insurance claims. Their proximity to the fire hydrant and proximity to the fire department. So how far are you from those? And the fire department, is it volunteer or is it paid? Because if it's volunteer, then possibly there might not be anyone volunteering if you had a house fire. So that's going to increase your premium quite a bit. Claims. How many claims have you had? Claims are a big one. That was something else I was working on today. I quoted someone several months ago, and then I was requoting them today, and the policy went up $800. Same everything, just cost $800 more because she had made another claim for only $2,000. So now she has about $5,500 worth of claims in several years, and she's paying $800 a year more with this quote. With her current insurance company, I think she said it went up several hundred a month. So definitely check those claims. Maybe give somebody a call to come out and look at. If it's a disaster, then go ahead and call insurance. But if it's not, maybe give somebody a call and see how much that is going to cost you to fix on your own without insurance, because you may save a whole lot in the long run by just going ahead and paying that yourself. Deductible, that's a big thing. So I always say, if you can afford it, don't ever have less than $1,000 deductible. If you can do more than $1,000, that's great, because that way you're not going to be making those small dollar claims, like my client that's now going to be paying at least $800 more a year for about 5 years. So lapses. Do you have any lapses? And in coverage, that's not a good thing to have, so try to keep that from happening. What is the age of your home? The older the home, typically you're going to be paying more insurance premium for that. Do you have an alarm? Is it reported? Does it go to a central reporting station? And is that for your home for fire, and burglar? And then, do you have a home-based business? Some home-based businesses don't really add too much, but some will, depending on what type of business it is and what kind of how many people are going to be coming to your house for your home-based business, and how much are you going to be storing at your house inventory-wise. So, pool, that could affect it. A lot of carriers are now a little more comfortable with pools as long as they are fenced in. So, but it could affect your premium. And wood burning stoves, those affect the premium as well. One carrier I quoted through would not even cover someone because they had the wood burning stove. And then one last thing is your rebuilding cost. So a lot of times people will say, well, I only paid X number of dollars for this house. How come my $100,000 for this house? How come my homeowner's rebuilding cost is $200,000? Well, it could be because you have a really nice built house, and the amount that your rebuilding coverage amount is going to possibly be different than what you paid for it. So, two houses very similar, one being in, if you're in Memphis, you know these areas, one being in Raleigh or Fraser, and the other being in Germantown. Same house, two different areas of town, then you're going to be, if you're purchasing one of these houses, big difference in price. And for the same house, just the location is different. Now, your premium could be very similar for your homeowner's insurance, because if your house costs $350,000 to rebuild, it doesn't matter whether you just paid $100,000 for it. If it costs $350,000 to rebuild it, then that's what your rebuilding cost, your coverage A amount, is going to be for your homeowner's insurance. So, just a little food for thought. I hope that this was helpful for everyone. I would love to answer any questions. So, if you ever have questions, feel free to message me, comment here, call me at the office. The number here is 901-312-1630, and I'd love to answer anything for you. Or if you're just kind of curious, hey, I feel like I'm paying a lot with my current insurance company, call me, and I would love to give you some quotes, and then you can compare and see how much extra are you really paying. So I've got a little special guest here today that's wanting to say hello.
I do Bible school, and I made this at Bible school. It's two kinds of oil. This one was water with blue dye, and this one was just food oil.
Cool.
So I also made this, and it's glitter sand, and it also has these stickers, and also on the top there's one. And this plastic top can open, but we don't want to open it at the office. So, yeah. I hope you had a great day. Bye.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great evening, and talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.